If you use GoDaddy Webmail and want to keep a backup of your emails, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're moving to a new provider, organizing old messages, or just making sure you have a copy of everything important, backing up your webmail is a smart move. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this one. Let's get into it. First, go to GoDaddy in your browser and sign into your account. Use the login details for the account that owns the webmail you want to back up. Once you're inside, look for My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your hosting and email services in one place. Next, under Web Hosting, click Manage. This will open the hosting dashboard for the product connected to your email. From there, you'll need to open cPanel. cPanel is where you can access the email tools and mailbox settings tied to your GoDaddy hosting account. Once cPanel opens, go to the email section and click Email Accounts. This area shows the email addresses connected to your domain. Find the mailbox you want to back up and access it from here. Now click Check Email or Webmail. That will take you into the actual webmail interface. In most cases, you'll see options like Roundcube, Horde, or another webmail client. For this method, open Roundcube, since it gives you an easy way to view and export messages. Inside Roundcube, go to the folder or mailbox you want to save. You can select individual emails, or if you want a broader backup, you can choose folders like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, or other folders you use regularly. If you have a lot of important messages, it's a good idea to work folder by folder so nothing gets missed. After selecting the emails or folder content, look for the More menu. Depending on your setup, you may see an export or download option there. If the option is available, use it to save your emails to your computer. This creates a manual backup of your webmail messages that you can store locally for safekeeping. If you're backing up multiple folders, repeat the same process for each one. That way you make sure your important mail is preserved, including sent messages and archived conversations, not just what's in the inbox. Once the files are downloaded, save them somewhere easy to find, like a dedicated backup folder on your desktop or an external drive. It's also a good idea to rename the files clearly so you know which mailbox or folder they came from later on. And that's it. You've now learned how to back up GoDaddy Webmail manually. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.